Jefferson County's longtime public health officer, Gail Scott, is retiring after 40 years of service to the county. And she joins us.
And we really, truly wanted to help the public. And we really, truly wanted to stop this virus. And I was kind of surprised at some of the demoralizing and threatening reactions that we got and how divided our country got over what is really a public health disease that we are trying to control so people do not get sick and develop long-term COVID symptoms or sadly die from the disease. And what really hurt is when people said we were lying, because we were not lying. We were not trying to control anybody. Public health has no desire to do that. We were just trying to do our jobs.
Gail, have you personally received threats or people in your office, and what has that entailed over the last couple months and years?
Yes, I have personally received threats when we tried to pass a public health ordinance that people didn't understand. So instead of calling me and asking me about it, they blew it out of proportion, and it turned into that I was going to come and take their children away or put them in jail, and it had nothing to do with that. It was just looking at how we could strengthen our ordinance in response to COVID. I was threatened with getting fired. I was threatened with gun violence. And we've been threatened that we're going to be taken to court for crimes against humanity. My staff has been threatened. We've had issues, a couple of issues at our clinics where we had to call law enforcement in. And we've had one protest at a clinic. But all of that to nurses and epidemiologists who are just used to doing public health quietly in the background, that's very unusual. And, you know, your response to it is like, why are people feeling this way towards us? You know, we didn't invent this disease. We're not doing anything except trying to stop it and protect people.